Hello. Let's learn new sentence. I wash my hands. I brush my teeth before going to bed. I take a shower in the bathroom. My mom and I cook in kitchen. The boy drink milk every day. She works in a school. She is teaching. She is taking a bath in the bathroom. They are waiting for the bus. She is listening to music. He is driving a car. They are playing. They are brushing teeth. Tom reads a book in the bathroom. My mother washes the dishes in the kitchen. My mother cooked dinner for me. Please subscribe, it will motivated me. Thanks you.